Ernst, and I'm going to be going over some basic color theory. The primary colors are the three colors that make up all of the colors in the spectrum. So you have blue, yellow, and red are your three primary colors. From these primary colors, when mixed together, you get secondary colors. So if you mix blue and yellow equal parts, you get green. Equal parts blue and red, you get violet. And equal parts yellow and red, you get orange. From that, when you mix a secondary color with a primary color, you get the tertiary colors. So for example, when you mix yellow and orange, you get yellow-orange. Red and orange, you get red-orange, and so on. Now, what's important in hair coloring are the complementary colors. These are the colors that are across from each other on the color wheel that cancel each other out to make a neutral. So for example, violet on your color wheel, if you go across, yellow and violet cancel each other out to make a neutral. And this is because violet is, when you go up, is a secondary color, which is equal parts blue and red. Now when you add the yellow, you get a neutral, because when you add all three primary colors, you get a neutral brown. So the same with red and green canceling each other out. Green is equal parts blue and yellow, so when you add the red to the green, which is across from the color wheel, so you have red and green, it makes a neutral. Now this is important when formulating hair color, because these complementary colors are what create the total differences in color. So if you want a warm color or a cool color, the complementary colors are what allow you to do that. So this is just a little bit of color theory. I hope that I was able to explain it to you, and enjoy. Thank you. Two products that I'm really loving are from the Kenra Platinum line. The first product is the smoothing cream, which gives you a movable, silky texture to the hair. It can be applied on damp hair or dry hair, and you can smooth it out with a smoothing iron for a soft, silky, straight look. What's also great about this, the smoothing cream, is that it has a heat protectant in it. So if you're blow drying or using a hot tool like a smoothing iron, your hair will be protected. So here I have a disconnected cut that I did on a mannequin, and I used the smoothing cream to style it. So you can see how shiny the hair is and how smooth and still movable the hair is left with the smoothing cream. The next product that I'm really like, I actually use it myself, is the dry texture spray. I think it's a great product because I think it's best used on second day hair because it has it absorbs the oil, the natural oil and sebum that your hair produces, and it gives a dry textured feel, and it adds volume. So here you can see that from the same mannequin that we use the smoothing cream, if you add some texture spray and just kind of move it out, you can see how now you can see the layers in the cut and how it adds volume and playfulness to it. I found that it's really great to use on people with fine hair if you're doing an updo. It's good to prep the hair with the dry texture spray and then go in and use a hairspray and curl it. It just gives it a bit more height and volume to the hair. So two great products from the Platinum line are the smoothing cream and the dry texture spray. Thanks.